You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Name pronunciation from Polish, if you want to learn more. Names from Poland and the history of the United States in particular. Make sure to stay tuned as well. So we're going to get to the Polish pronunciation and how you can pronounce it in English. Tadeusz Kościuszko. Tadeusz Kościuszko is the Polish pronunciation. If you cannot pronounce Polish perfectly, you can say it as Tadeusz Kościuszko. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.